Let's dive into a debate that's as old as time itself. Unity versus diversity. Picture this. A school project. You need to build a model of the solar system. If everyone in your group thinks the same way, you'll probably get things done quickly. That's unity. Everyone's on the same page. But what if one person's a math whiz, another loves art, and someone else is a science geek? That's diversity. Suddenly, your project's not just a model, it's a masterpiece. Unity brings stability. It's like a well-oiled machine where every part works seamlessly. There's less conflict, more cooperation. It feels safe and predictable. Think of a sports team working together with one goal in mind, winning, but then there's diversity. It's like a garden with different flowers. Each one adds its unique color and fragrance, making the garden more beautiful. Diversity brings fresh ideas, innovation, and adaptability. Is what you need when solving complex problems or navigating change. Think of a brainstorm session where wild, creative ideas can lead to groundbreaking solutions. So which is better? It's not about choosing one over the other. It's about finding the perfect balance, like mixing the right ingredients to bake a delicious cake. Unity gives you the structure, while diversity adds the flavor. In relationships and communities, embracing both can create a foundation that's not just strong, but also vibrant and dynamic. So next time you're faced with the choice, remember, unity and diversity aren't rivals, they're partners.